Hey there, thanks for watching my Monarch review by Venkata Ramana, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Monarch review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now let's see what Monarch promises us. This new 2022 Ready app is controversial but 100% legal. Recently discovered Facebook loophole pays them $27 to $47 over and over for copying and pasting one special link. No tech skills, no waiting, no nonsense. On the right, they don't tell us much more about the product, except that it's autopilot income, non-stop loop of the $27 to $47 payments, copy and paste, super easy. So this is supposed to be for a beginner. And you know, I always get a little nervous when they tell me it's 100% legal. So let's take a look inside. Here we are in the Monarch dashboard. First thing when you come in, you go straight to the VIP training. You do have 11 videos. This is a total of about 60 minutes of training. Half of it is about the product and half of it is about strategy. And we'll talk about that in just a second. So the first thing you're going to do is come in and find. This is where you're going to find a product. They give you the option for a ClickBank marketplace feed. So all of these products are going to come from ClickBank. They're using that platform because there is rarely a wait for approval to promote the affiliate products. They do give you some statistics on here, but if we take a look at ClickBank, and we'll just go into e-business and e-marketing because that's what we do. And you can see there's a ton of information on here about these products. And they even tell you with the little symbols on the left, whether they come in different languages, the billing type. Something that's very interesting is a must-have affiliate tools page. That's going to come into play in just a second. So remember that when we go to the builder, because the affiliate tools will give you information to put into your page builder. So that's a little trick for ClickBank. If you do want to promote something that already comes with advertising materials, look for that little icon or search by it over on the left. Back on Monarch, after you find the product that you want to promote, you'll then start to build. They give you 5 different templates. There have been other people in here creating demos, but looking at this, there are 5 templates here in the front end that you can choose from. We'll just choose that first one. Now you're in the page builder. This is just a simple page builder where you can come in and make adjustments, change your settings, and customize it. There's nothing wrong with this. It is a simple page builder. But if you have your own domain and hosting, or if you have GetResponse, which is an autoresponder that a lot of affiliate marketers use, and an autoresponder is something you're going to need anyway, you do have the ability to make landing pages and sales pages if you already have an autoresponder. So be sure to check and see if your autoresponder has those capabilities. And if you have domain and hosting, then you can use a WordPress plugin of some sort. I know we use Thrive Themes. Once you've made all of your adjustments, you would come in here and just save the website. Once you've done that, this will be your URL. If we take a look at that, so this is the web page that I just made with Monarch, and then you would go to advertise. First thing you want to do is come into your Facebook poster and import your Facebook account. Once you have that connected with all of your pages and all of your groups listed in here, go back to the poster and you have the ability to post on Facebook the same way you can already post on Facebook. So there's 7 different options. There's text, link, image, video, a call to action, a carousel, and a slideshow. All of these you can already do on Facebook without having Monarch. If we look at create new post, you do choose your type, enter your name, and then your message. Somewhere in here is where you would put your website into your message. You would post to your pages, and notice if you post to your groups, you will have to go into Facebook and install this app in each one of these groups to connect them to be able to post. They do allow you to post now or schedule later. There is talk of a tracker. This is where the other half of the training focuses on actually making a different tracking code for each one of your pages and each one of your groups. He also suggests doing that for each different type of Facebook post. So 7 different posts to each page and each group. That is a lot of time and effort for a newbie affiliate marketer. In the training of the tracker, he does say very early on that it will get better over time. If we look at Venkata Ramana on Munchai, you can see he's releasing Monarch on January 3rd. He has another product scheduled for later this month, and every other month this year, he has another product scheduled to launch. He is not going to come back to this product to make sure that that tracker gets any better, because he won't use these products to make his money. He makes his money selling you and me these products over and over again. So I have no faith that he will come back and make sure that this product is actually getting better in the tracking system. There's also an upgrade section and a support section, but that is all that Monarch does. So what is the strategy with Monarch? You're going to come in here and you're going to pick ClickBank products to make a bridge page or a landing page and post it 7 different ways with 7 different trackers in all of your different pages and groups. Not only is that a lot of work, that just sounds like a lot of spamming. So one of my biggest problems here is that with this ClickBank marketplace that they're trying to give you, yes, you can get much more information on actual ClickBank to research your products. And there's also another site out called Digistore24. There's also no wait for affiliate approval on this platform either. On our website, Kim and I have actually done an article on the top 10 Digistore24 affiliate products to promote. And we go through each one of the statistics and tell you why you need to be looking at them, what they mean, and what that means for you. If you guys are interested in that, feel free to head over. I will link that down below, and I'll also link the video above. Another problem I have is this is strictly Facebook. Now, luckily, they did tell us that this was just for Facebook on their sales page, so that's not surprising. But what they don't tell you is that if you don't have a very carefully curated Facebook profile, Facebook pages, groups that you talk to, and a following that knows you are in affiliate marketing and want to buy affiliate products from you, you will not make any sales or get any extra traffic using Monarch. This will only work on your current existing Facebook lists, pages, and groups. Third, if you have an autoresponder, you may already have these capabilities, so you may not have to pay any extra money to do this. So I know you can do all of this without having to pay extra for Monarch. Go ahead and take a look at the pricing. Here on the front end, Monarch is $17. Upsell number 1 is going to be $37. However, I did find this somewhere else where the upsell number 1 is actually $47. So neither one of these funnels match. This one is going to run you about $499. This one is actually going to run you about $609. If you want to see what these are, feel free to pause this and take a look, but I don't feel like we need to go over them. If we look back at the sales page, there's nothing controversial about this. This is not a Facebook loophole. And the one special link that you are copy and pasting is your affiliate link in every one of these posts. This is nothing new. I feel like Monarch can definitely get you going down a route where you're going to be spinning your wheels. So if you want to waste your time, your money, and your energy on Monarch, I will leave that up to you. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Monarch review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.